dear students, today we are going to start our fourth chapter. We went shopping on Saturday. Here in this chapter, we are going to learn about the simple past tense. You all know that simple past tense is used to talk about events that happened in the past, which is already past. Okay, you then we have to remember is that when we use regular verb to make the simple past tense, we can use like this. For example, look, looked, talk, talked, we work, we already worked, finish, finished. What you say when you finish your homework or you do your work? You say, I have finished my homework. We use ed here. You can see that we use ed. So finish, finished. Finished means we have already completed our work. So here, with the help of this exercise, we can understand that there are some verbs in this sentence. We have to underline these verbs, okay, which are in simple past tense. Okay, so mummy and I went shopping for clothes on Saturday. See what that day what I explained you was verb means work, what we are doing. Okay, so went is he is going somewhere, went. Okay, so it is a verb. I got up a bit later than usually and we took a bus to the market. Here see got and took. These are the verbs which we have to underline. We looked in a lot of shops. I saw some lovely dresses, but they were too expensive. We had lunch and then mummy bought me a new pair of jeans. Okay, they are so nice. I got new shirts, new t-shirts, socks and shoes too. We were so tired when we came home. So here I have marked, I have underlined. You can see that I have underlined some verbs which there all the verbs which are there in this paragraph. Okay, so you all have to underline in the same way. Okay, then the next question we are going to see, match the past tense form with the correct verb. There are some, see here some verbs are given in match the sentence. You have to match it. Okay, match with the correct verb. It is given was, be, got, get. I got up, I get up. Past tense, in past tense we have to see the verb. Went, where is yes, this one, went, go. Then caught, catch. Then saw, it will be see. Had, you can see, had, have. Okay, bought, buy. Came, come. So these are the past tense which we have to match. Okay, then here are some more irregular verbs in the simple past tense. Write the simple present tense form of the verb next to them. It means there are some verb given here. What you have to do is you have to write the simple present tense form. Okay, simple present tense form of the verb. So ate, eat, read, read. See, read, read. Wrote, write. I wrote a letter. And present tense what will write? I am writing a letter or I write a letter. Drew, draw. Found, I found a pencil. I found my pencil. I find my pencil. So we are going to write it in present tense. Threw, throw. He threw a ball. He is throwing a ball. Okay. Flew, fly. Okay, the kite flew, the kite is flying. Then ran, run. The boy ran away, the boy is running. Okay, boy run. Then The next one, D. Complete the sentence using the past tense of the verb in bracket. It means in the bracket some verbs are given, you have to use in past tense. These verbs you have to use it in past tense of the verb in the bracket. So I see what is given here. Look. I looked. It means it is, I am writing it in past tense. This verb look, looked. I looked at the beautiful dress in the shop window. I finished. Here is given finish. I finished our homework. We finished our homework early and went to the park. Raju threw. What is given here? Throw. Raju threw the ball high into the air. You told me that yesterday. Okay, tell, told. Then what is given here? Start and be. Our lesson started late because our teacher was in a meeting. Be, what will write here? Was. The children ate all the biscuits on the plate. Eat, what will write? Ate. We ran all the way home from school in the rain. So you can see, dear students, here what we have done. We are writing these verbs in past tense. Okay, in its past tense. Past tense I have explained you already. Then this, see, some spelling rules are there. When we add ed to a verb that ends in a single vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant, like stop, stopped, plan, planned, drop, dropped, chat, chatted, carry, carried, study, studied, hurry, hurried, bury, buried. We can see that here what we are doing now. We are going to complete the sentence to make question about Sarah's shopping trip. So here Sarah, you all know that she was doing shopping, so we are going to write it this in question mark. Okay, make question. We have to complete the sentence by making questions. Okay, so did Sarah get up early on Saturday? Did Sarah and her mother got the bus to the market? Did they do shopping for food? Did they look in many shops? Did Sarah buy any nice dresses? Did they have lunch at the market? Did Sarah mother buy any clothes for Sarah? Was Sarah tired when she came home? So these are the questions that we are asking in this sentences. Okay, these are the question words. Then the next one, you can see, write sentence about things that you did yesterday. Yesterday means a day before. Okay, it means yesterday. Use the simple past tense of some of these verbs. See, some verbs are given here. What we have to do is we have to make a sentence by using these verbs. Okay, but how we have to use it? By telling that we have done it on yesterday. Okay, things that you did yesterday. I bought, buy, what I'm writing, bought. I bought vegetables yesterday. See, I ate an apple yesterday. Eat, ate. Okay, I ate an apple yesterday. My mom made, what here is given? Here is given make. So I am using here make. My mom made us tasty dinner yesterday. Then the next one, she went for a movie yesterday. See, go, went. Okay, so you are using the verbs in what? In past tense. Okay, so go, what will do? Went for a movie yesterday. And dear students, the next question, match the verbs with their past tense form. Past tense, you all know that, which is past already. So you can see there are some circles and there are some words inside in it. Some verbs are there. So First one is they have already given drink, drank. Okay. Fall, felt. Paid, pay. Choose, chose. Fall, felt. Said, say. Put, put. Feel, fell, feel. Okay. Ride, rode. Paid, pay. In this way you also have to do as I am showing you in this video. So complete your book today itself. Okay, thank you.